Namaste, you are listening to Prem Anmol Hota Hai Vani. I am your host, Vani. In the previous episode, I overcame the fear of death during skydiving. Today, you will hear how Swapnil and I say goodbye to our unspoken love, and how Rashil challenges my vow of remaining unmarried with her mischief. Expression of love, indirect. After safely landing from skydiving, in a state of high excitement, I hugged Swapnil and kissed his cheeks. He too, perhaps, to maintain my happiness, gave a light touch of his lips on my cheeks. Satisfaction of a winner. Upon my asking, Swapnil revealed that in these dangerous adventures, I am the first girl who has accompanied him. Hearing this, my jealousy subsided and I began to laugh like a winner. Final adventure. We enjoyed parasailing, taking flight from the bottom towards the top. This 2-day adventure tour was completed, but now sadness loomed. The next weekend was going to be the final week of my trip. Who is the debtor? I expressed my gratitude to Swapnil. But he said, if anyone between the two of us is indebted to someone, it is me. These few days spent with you will remain unforgettable for me forever. Unspoken goodbye. Swapnil also accepted the fact that our time together in life ends here, which brought tears to my eyes. We wasted this final solitary opportunity to express our love. Returning with achievements. By the end of the week, I achieved level 5 as a novice surfer and horse rider. This was a major achievement of my US trip. Rashil's time. I expressed my desire to spend the remaining days with Rashil. Rashil was happy and said that was exactly what she wanted. Due to Parag going to Australia, Parushni's script came into my room. The joy of motherhood. Seeing Rashil nursing Parushni at night, I asked her about the unique joy of motherhood. Rashil explained about the oxytocin hormone and the reduction of mental stress. The web of mischief. Rashil said with a smile that while she couldn't give me the joy of breastfeeding, I can certainly help you in becoming a mother. To my question of how one young woman could make another a mother, Rashil finished her sentence with a laugh. Rashil's hint was clear. Will I, who have refused marriage and becoming a mother, change my fate by falling into this trap of my best friend? The end of priceless love, and the first step towards the joy of motherhood, in Prem Anmol Hota Hai Vani. You will hear Episode 53, The Final Goodbye, The Debtor's Conflict, and The Secret of Motherhood. When my feet landed on safe ground, after separating from Swapnil, I turned towards him. In intense excitement and joy, I put my arms around Swapnil's neck and kissed his cheeks. So that the joy I was feeling wouldn't diminish, perhaps, Swapnil also gave a light touch of his lips on both my cheeks. Overwhelmed with joy, I began to spin around in a dancing style. Swapnil, I will say it once again, with you being with me, no danger can come to me. You know how to deal with every danger, I said laughing in praise and looked at him with love.
I have done all these adventures many times. That's why you feel so, Swapnil explained with a smile.
Before this, who has been with you in these adventures? I asked this question, again possessed by jealousy.
No girl has been with me in any such adventure. In this regard, you are the first girl. Before this, from the perspective of receiving training, the pilots I accompanied were all men, Swapnil replied, perhaps understanding what was in my mind.
I felt satisfied. I began to laugh like a winner. After lunch, our next adventure is parasailing. We have reached the beach. At this time, no fear or doubt remained in my mind. After boarding the boat, we toured the sea for a while, then took flight from the boat in a harness with the help of a parachute to a height of about 50 meters. We are connected to the boat by a long rope. Being with Swapnil in a parachute was no longer a new thing. Parasailing is a new experience in the way that we are not coming down from a height with the help of a parachute. Now we have taken flight from the boat, i.e., from bottom to top. Completing the 2-day adventurous tour this way, I am returning with Swapnil. Thinking that my time with Swapnil ends here, I have become sad. The next weekend is going to be the final weekend of my US trip. 2 days after that, I have to return. My return ticket was already booked in a round trip. I don't want to be so selfish as to spend the whole day here just doing my own enjoyment. I want to spend the next weekend with Rashil and Parushni. This is the thought running through my mind.
What are you thinking, Vani? Sitting so quiet, Swapnil, who was driving the car, asked seeing me silent.
Swapnil, I will never be able to repay your debt in my life. You are very caring. You spent so much of your time and money for my happiness. On my own, I could never have come to America. Even if I had, I couldn't have spent so much money on enjoyment. Along with adventure, you also arranged my surfing and horse riding training. I am very grateful to you. I have no words to express my gratitude, I replied. I was already prepared for this question expected from Swapnil.
Swapnil kept thinking for a while. Then he said, Vani, if I couldn't do even this much for you, then my being wealthy would have no meaning. It is my luck that I have met an excellent girl like you. I got the opportunity and I was able to do a little something for you. To express in few words, it would be correct to say, if anyone between the two of us is indebted to someone, it is me. These few days spent with you will remain unforgettable for me forever.
I had spoken in such a way as if our time together in life was only up to this point. But when Swapnil also accepted it in a way, I was very disappointed. I don't know if I would have been happy even if Swapnil had expressed a desire to marry me. My eyes welled up. To hide it from Swapnil, I started looking out the window. I leaned my head against the seat back, wiped the tears that were about to spill with my hand, and closed my eyes. Due to the values I received, and Swapnil perhaps due to understanding my boundaries, thought it best to remain silent. In this way, we wasted this final opportunity of being alone in solitude, in which we could have expressed our love to each other. We have reached home. Finally, Friday has arrived. This is the final day of my surfing and horse riding classes.
Christina said to me, "Congratulations on becoming a novice surfer."
Christina, I will remember you even after going to India, I said while hugging her before taking leave. Then I went to the ranch. This is my final day at the ranch.
Congratulations on reaching level 5 as a horse rider. In the afternoon, Lily also congratulated me while hugging me.
When I came from India, I had no qualification in extracurricular activities. Now the time for my return to India has come near. I have become more proficient in surfing and horse riding than an average person. Rashil, now the day for my return to India has come near. You called me here for your company during childbirth and the period after. Whereas, instead of doing that after coming here, I got busy in my own enjoyment. In the remaining days here, I want to spend as much time as possible with you, I said to Rashil after dinner.
Vani, it's okay. I had said that to convince you to come to America. I truly wanted you to spend some days of your life in diversions. If you hadn't said it now, I was going to ask you to stay with me anyway. Tomorrow I will have Parushni's script set up in your room itself. This will provide most of the time for me to be with you day and night. From tomorrow evening for 3 days, Parag is also going to Australia. This will make it easier for me to do so, Rashil said laughing.
Then we both hugged each other and walked towards our respective rooms laughing. Scene change. Parushni is only 4 weeks old now. She keeps sleeping for more than 16 hours. Even in the remaining time, a nanny takes care of her. When Parushni gets hungry, Rashil usually takes her in her lap to nurse her. Since 4 weeks have passed since the C-section, Rashil no longer needs to take extreme precautions. Parag has already departed for Australia in the evening. Therefore, Rashil is going to be free at night almost like the days she used to be with me before her marriage. After dinner, we both came to my room. Then the nanny brought Parushni. When Rashil took Parushni in her lap and started nursing her, the nanny left. I am sitting in front of Rashil, gazing at her face. I have never seen a mother nursing her child from such a close distance. Or even if I have, I never paid much attention to it. Rashil, do you get some joy from nursing Parushni that you don't get from any other activity? I asked out of curiosity. Perhaps I wouldn't even ask this question to anyone else.
Vani, this joy is unique. I don't know how to tell you in words, I don't understand. However, what female science says about this, I can tell you, Rashil said smiling.
What does science say about this?
Actually, when we nurse our infant, the oxytocin hormone is released in the mother's body. This helps in reducing mental stress. Not only this, by nursing, the mother's uterus which had enlarged during pregnancy in her weight also decreases. Actually, breastfeeding is a natural process, and how pleasant it is, you can know only by becoming a mother yourself. Rashil took a pause after saying this much.
Then she started laughing mischievously.
Vani, I cannot be helpful in providing you the joy of breastfeeding. Even then, I can certainly help you in becoming a mother. She finished her sentence with a wink.
Rachel, you make even impossible things possible in your humor. How can one young woman ever make another a mother? I said without thinking. By this, I inadvertently fell into the trap she set.
I didn't say that I can make you a mother. I spoke about help. If you want, I can certainly do that. Rachel is still laughing at me.
I have understood now, in what sense she was saying this. To hide the expression that came on my face, I turned my face the other way. Gemini's critique, creative guidance, and presentation instructions. Dear listeners, episode 53 is a journey that depicts different aspects of love, thrill, insecurity, unspoken words, and future plans. Emotional height and moment of jealousy. First kiss. Vani kissing Swapnil after skydiving is an important moment of intensity in their relationship. It shows that Vani's love is now far beyond self-control, a natural expression of excitement and joy. Sense of victory. Vani asking out of jealousy whether Swapnil has done this thrill with anyone else is a true and human emotion. The satisfaction and sense of victory she experiences from Swapnil's answer shows the victory of trust over insecurity. The pain of unspoken words. Sense of disappointment. The conversation in the car, where both Vani and Swapnil express gratitude to each other, lets the love running in their minds remain unexpressed. It is a sad irony that when they should express love, they are talking about formality. The tears in Vani's eyes depict this unspoken pain. Love does not end. This scene also shows that Vani has now started considering Swapnil an essential part of her life, and the thought of him leaving makes her sad. New turn in the plot. Rachel's secret. The final part of the episode completely changes the story. Rachel showing the maternal joy of nursing her baby and then mischievously saying that she can help Vani become a mother is a masterstroke. It signals that Rachel has a concrete plan for Vani's future. Final guidance for audio presentation. Vani's voice. Initially, her voice should be full of high joy, excitement, and ego. During the conversation in the car, let her voice become quiet, grateful, and then sad. With Rachel, let there be curiosity and finally a sense of surprise and confusion in her voice. Swapnil's voice. His voice should be calm and unwavering, depicting his positive behavior. When he tells Vani about being the first girl, let there be special pride and joy in his voice. Rachel's voice. When she talks about motherhood, her voice should be serious and sweet. At the end, let her voice be playful, happy, and full of suspicion. Background music, BGM. After skydiving, the music should be jubilant and triumphant. Car scene. Let the music be full of sadness, depicting the feeling of unspoken words. With Rachel, the music should be calm and maternal, and finally turn into a mysterious and playful tune. Episode 53 ends.